Hello everyone, and welcome to another JavaScript tutorial. In this lesson, we'll solve a common problem, checking if there's at least one element that occurs in two sorted arrays. This is a fundamental problem that introduces the concepts of array traversal and element lookup. By the end of the session, you'll understand how to compare arrays efficiently and handle edge cases. Let's dive in. Let's understand the problem clearly. We're working with two sorted arrays of integers, and our task is to determine if they share at least one element. For example, in the array of 1, 2, and 3, and the array of 3, 4, and 5, the number 3 is common, so the result is true. Second example, in the array of 1, 2, and 3, and the array of 5, 6, and 7, there are no common elements, so the result is false. This is the ES5 implementation of our solution. First, we use a for loop to iterate over the first array. Second, for each element in the array, we use index of to check if it exists in the second array. Third, finally, if an element is found, the function returns true. Otherwise, after the loop completes, it returns false. This approach ensures that we systematically check every element in the first array against the second array. Let's break the function down into clear steps. First, the function iterates through every element of the first array using a for loop. Second, for each element, it uses index of to search for a match in the second array. Finally, if a match is found, the function immediately returns true. If no matches are found, by the end of the loop, it returns false. This method is effective for smaller arrays, but could be optimized for larger datasets. Let's analyze these examples step by step. In the first example, the loop finds a match, which is 3, on the third iteration, so the function returns true. In the second example, the loop completes without finding any matches, so the function returns false. These examples demonstrate how the function works systematically to find common elements. The ES6 version introduces modern JavaScript syntax. Let is used for block scoped variables. The function is written as an arrow function, making it more concise. The logic remains the same, ensuring consistent functionality. To recap, this program demonstrates how to find common elements in two sorted arrays using a straightforward approach. It is a practical example of array traversal and searching, which are essential skills for solving real-world programming challenges. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I will see you in the next one.